A fully integrated, standard-sized keyboard with a comfortable ergo-lift hinge for a classic typing experience. A screen instead of a simple touchpad, i.e. the screen pad, ultimate easy portability, and whatnot. ZenBook 15, the first on my list, is undoubtedly the best laptop for MBA students in 2023. This slim machine has got a 5.65-inch screen pad which, sort of an imitation of the Apple's Touch Bar, in functioning, fits in multiple apps, etc., smartly adapts to your working needs of the moment, and makes sure you get sweeping control over things. This big laptop holds an almost edgeless 15.6 screen with some finest viewing angles. The native Full HD displaying screen features a maximum 4K UHD resolution for a nonpareil visual experience further refined by the classy NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics support. If you're a student who likes to play video games in your spare time, I suggest getting the Asus ZenBook. It's not only thin and light but also packs a powerful Intel processor. Well, the it is got fitted with the advanced 10th Gen Intel Core i7 quad-core processor exhibiting a max clocking of up to 4.9 GHz via Intel's Turbo Boost support. You've got 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, thus, more than enough efficiency and snappiness to rip through all your hectic business data and multitasking, etc. Also see, Best Chromebooks for Business. It has a built-in IR camera featuring Windows Hello Quick Sign-In and has killer connectivity options. Lastly, it has a sturdy military-grade 810G build and despite all these, it weighs only 3.6 pounds.